In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to export your Revit drawing to AutoCAD. This is important, especially if you want to send it to someone that will do the electrical mechanical for you. Probably you model it in Revit, then you want to send it to one of your engineers to work on the electrical mechanical or structural drawing. What you are going to do is you are going to go to application menu on the left hand side here. You are going to click on file, then you go down, you see export. Click on the drop down, then you see CAD format. Move to DWG, click on it. You see the display of where you are currently. Can you see that? So what you do is you click on this button that says new set, and if you like, you can give it a name. Give it a name that you can always remember. The name doesn't matter. Click OK. Now it will give you access to select other views. So you are going to carefully go through the views. Now if you look at all these ones, all these ones are 3D. I don't want to export 3D to AutoCAD. What I want to export to AutoCAD is, if you are exporting for mechanical drawing, the only thing you need for mechanical drawing is the floor plans. So you don't need the elevation. But if you are exporting for structural drawing, you are exporting it so that the structural engineer will use it. In that case, you need the section and elevation. But since we want to do for electrical and mechanical, let's limit ourselves to only floor plan for now. So you are going to look for the floor plan. You can see these are the floor plans. Can you see that? If you look at the icon, is different. You can see floor plan, ground floor plan. You select it. Then you see this one is first floor level. Select it. Okay. These are all the floor plan, the necessary floor plan you need. And for electrical and mechanical, you will also need site layout plan. So look for site layout plan and select it. Site layout plan will be, you can see it here, floor plan, site layout plan. Select this one. So far we have selected 3 items. Now that you are done selecting it, and if you look down carefully, you see that all these ones are on the sheet. If you want to export the sheet, that's fine. But exporting the sheet will be different. Let's do that. Let's select one of the sheets and you will see how it will be in your AutoCAD. So I'm going to select the one for site layout. Okay, I've selected one of the sheets for site layout. And if you are done selecting all of them, click next. At this point, you will select the folder where you want to export it to. If possible, you can create a new folder for it. Create a new folder for it so that you will not mess things up. So I'm going to give it a name, give the folder a name for M and E test. Okay, that is the name of the folder. Then you are going to go into that folder and give it a name, very short name. Okay, I can even give it, let me give it training. Then on the file type, you are going to select this one based on the version of AutoCAD you have. For me, I have version 2016 and the default here is 2018. So I need to step it down. If you don't step it down at this moment, by the time you take it to AutoCAD, you won't be able to open it. So you need to step it down below or exactly your own version of AutoCAD. So ensure you know the version of AutoCAD you are using. For me, I'm using 2016. So I'm going to step it lower than 2016 since 2016 is not here. What is here is 2013, 2010 and 2007. So any of these three can work. But if I leave it at 2018, it will not open. So let me select 2013. And once you have selected 2013, click OK. Wait for it, it will export everything now. You can see the progress here, it's exporting it. Now it is done exporting. The next thing is I'm going to go to AutoCAD and open the file. Let me go and open my AutoCAD now. If you like, you can close your Revit now. If you like, you can leave it at the background. Let's close it. And you know, recently AutoCAD started misbehaving with the licensing, so you may off your internet connection so that you can launch your AutoCAD. I've launched my AutoCAD now. What I'll do now is I'll go to open folder, go to that particular folder, look for the folder in your documents. You can see this is the folder we created the other time. Open it. Now these are all the ones you have exported to AutoCAD. So you are going to select them one by one. Select it, hold Ctrl, select the second one, the third one, all of them one by one. You can leave Ctrl now and click open. It will open all of them one after the other. You will see that it brought us to layout because we exported one of the sheets. Then you are going to go to, at the bottom left here, you see layout 1, layout 2, model. So go to model. Okay, now you see this is the floor plan. So you are going to copy this floor plan. Right click, you can even cut it if you like. If I cut it, I can close this particular window now. I say no. This is first floor. So I can paste the ground floor plan here. Then I will copy the two of them now. I can even cut it. Then I close the current window. I can say no. Now this is the site layout. Then I paste it. I paste it here. Okay, so we have the major things here. which are the ground floor plan, the first floor, and the site layout. Now let's talk about that sheet we exported. If you open one of the tab now, let's go to layout. Okay, now if we go to layout now, you see that one that we exported. You can see the title block here. The title block is found under layout, so we can copy the title block, right click on it, select clipboard, copy. Now you are going to go to your working area, right click and paste by the side, just one side somewhere here. Okay, now that you paste it, you see that is very small compared to what you have here, so you can scale it up. You select it, go to scale and click somewhere at the center of it, move to some distance, type like 100 and press enter. It will expand it to be almost the same size of this. So you have your drawing, you have your title block. If you like, you just save this one differently. Save this particular file, this one that have all the drawings that you need to send to your engineer. You are going to click on file. You click on file, save as. You can see it has taken me to the same folder. Give it a name. Let's say for M and E. Okay, and when you are saving it, ensure you save it as the lowest version of AutoCAD, which is 27, because you may not know the version that your engineer have. Because of that, always step it down to version 2007. Okay, if you click on this drop down now, you see different version. This is the one you use, AutoCAD 27, LT 27. Make sure it's DWG. Don't select DXF. If you select DXF, you will still not be able to open it. So make sure what you have selected is 2017 DWG. If that is taken note of, you are going to save it now. Okay, now I've saved it. I can now close my AutoCAD. Let's say no for all this. Okay, now you go to that folder. This is the folder. You are going to delete all these ones that are no longer necessary. Right click and delete all of them. This is the one that we are going to send to our engineer. So let's delete all this, remaining only this now. So you are going to select this particular one to your engineer to start working on electrical and mechanical. I hope this video helps you. See you in the next video. Bye.